everyone, it's Anna Komenda here, marketing manager at MINTAY Papers, and I want to show you Rustic charm collection up in close with every detail. So you will have a better look on this collection and you can decide better if you would like to purchase or not. And we will start with 12 by 12 papers. You have 6 different designs. You can purchase them separately or you can purchase them in a set. And if you purchase the set, you will get 12 double-sided papers, 2 of each design. And you will also get this bonus cover. Here is just overview of the collection, but on the back you have plenty of elements for fussy cutting. The story behind this collection is that we released the freebies that were sent to the shops so they can add them to your orders with MINTAY Papers. And those freebies were with this kind of a lady spring with some of the elements from this collection. And you were asking what collection they come from because they look amazing. So Carola decided to design the collection for you with those graphics, and hence the Rustic Charms was born. If you would like to have more of those elements, you can purchase this paper number 9 with exactly the same set of elements for fussy cutting. It's not included into the kit, you have to purchase it separately. And on the back it has soft pattern and those flowers are simply amazing. You can cut them out easily and have those beautiful flowers to arrange on your projects. So let's start with paper number 1, and it's sort of a scene paper. It has those garlands. It has 2 main composition points here and here. So you can use this area to arrange your pictures. You can use this area to arrange your pictures, so you will not have to cover anything. You can use one bigger picture and one bigger picture here. And you can also use this paper for fussy cutting elements like this section and arrange your own bigger scene. Sorry for the noises, my dog is trying to get into the room. So this is how I would use this paper. This is the B side. It's a beautiful wood pattern. You can never have too many wooden patterns. And paper number 2 with kind of a window shutters in the back, plus the compositions of flowers and elements. This is such a generic collection that you can scrapbook any picture with it, and I can totally see weddings scrapped with this collection because you know there are flowers, there are laces. So if you have this bohemian rustic wedding, you can scrapbook them pictures with this collection easily. And again, you can arrange pictures here, 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 because even if you cover something, there are still a lot of elements happening around, so it will not feel empty. So yeah, this is the idea for this page, and I really love this paper. It has such a soft, beautiful flowers, and they remind me of a wallpaper, and they are simply stunning. This is the scene number 3. And again, there are similar elements, generic elements, a lot of flowers, those lacy banners. And I would add pictures here, not to cover this. Or if you don't want to have a dog and a bird, you can cover this area and you will have this beautiful curtain untouched with those flowers here. So again, you can place your picture here and have this area empty. You can cut out this whole curtain and arrange it on the other page. There are many possibilities for any of those scenes. There is oh, sorry, I forgot. Well, this is just a simple rustic pattern. I really like it, like, you know, for any background, perfect. And paper number 4. And this one is like, my wheels are turning in my head already because it's a simple pattern. It's just a drawers, but you can kind of cut out this drawer, raise it a little bit using foam squares, put your picture like this behind the drawer, so it will look like it's peeking from the drawer, and then you can arrange elements that, you know, open, sort of open. Some of the drawers you can just cut in here and put elements back, or cut out the whole drawer, add something, some piece of paper behind it, and glue the drawer using pieces of foam, and then you can kind of tuck in things inside those. So this is the idea I'm going to follow for this paper for sure. And the lacy, beautiful background, see how well it will work with wedding pictures. It's like a dream come true for any rustic kind of countryside wedding. Beautiful, beautiful paper. And there is also paper number 5 with balloons and flowers, and again, it screams wedding to me. You can easily scrapbook wedding with this collection, but you can scrapbook any generic picture here. You can kind of use those older pictures with, you know, those warm colors with this collection, and it will look great. Another lacy kind of a background in mint color, and paper number 6 with a 3x4 cards, and you can cut it apart. You can cut elements out of the cards. You can use it as album dividers. You can use it in the pockets. You can use it as a base of the card. So many ways. And the back of this paper are just samples of the patterns, and again, you can use them as a photo mat. You can use this paper as a base of layout, place pictures here, and then fill the spaces. I would cover those balloons because they are quite busy, and then you can arrange elements on this paper easily. So this is the paper number 6, and all the papers from the Rustic Charms collection. But if you need more papers, we have more papers, of course. We have a 6x6 paper pad. It has 24 double-sided papers. The quality of the paper is exactly the same. We have the front and the back cover, and they have elements for fussy cutting, just not to waste space. And usually those papers are just the downsized version of 12x12 papers. So paper number 1, 2, 3 drawers. Okay, balloons. Sorry, I'm tired. I'm talking to myself for hours and my brain is shutting down. So here are all the flower papers, and they come 3 more times. But if you would like something more, something extra, we have 6x8 add-on paper pack, and front cover and the back cover are usually like the one-of-a-kind papers. But Carola surprised me in some other collection, so maybe this paper comes more than one times. And there are 8 different papers, 16 different designs, and they repeat 3 times. So we have wood, we have like a wall, maybe it's the same wall on the back, on the front, no, it's a different one. This is also like a cracked wall, more cracked wall, and laces. I really love this pattern. We have like a wooden floor, wall with a little bit of bricks, some fabric, those beautiful flowers but in different colors. We have another linen fabric. We have sort of the shelves, sweater pattern, like a wave basket. And we have elements for fussy cutting. They are usually different than in a cut apart sheet or in a die cuts pack. So we have window, a lady, a clock, and the back is this pattern with wood, and we have flowers and flower clusters and a fabric on the other side, so it goes 2 more times like this. There is also a new product. It's an album base, and it has 8 pages. 7 of those are just 6x8 rectangles, so this album goes well with our Rustic Charms add-on paper pack because it has exactly the same size, and you will get 7 of those. and one sheet like this. This is the element that you can use as a spine of your album if you build it horizontally. And there is also a floral wreath for a decoration of the album. You don't have to use it with album, you can use it with any other project. And there are words like memories, charming, family, homemade, and together that can be used as the album title or inside the album. So there are many possibilities for this one. And we have die cuts. This is such a versatile product and so easy to use product. So we have die cuts, and I will show you all of them, and I will place them in the bowl later. So we have window, and it's empty inside, so you don't have to fussy cut those to create a shaker or something. Flower cluster, balloon, another flower cluster. And sometimes you ask why some of the elements do not have white outlines like this window and some of them does. It's because of the cutting capabilities. So with those flowers, if we would like to cut this very intricate element, we will have to just cut it out because you cannot cut so precisely. So all those tiny leaves would be lost. That's why with flower clusters, we usually have to leave it with a little bit of outline, but some of the elements like the clock can be cut out, or maybe like this bird. They have quite a simple shape, so they can be cut out without the white outline. There is a sewing machine, there is a mailbox, flower, camera. So all of those, like this dog, they are cut out without the white outline because the shape of the dog is generic and the lines after cutting wouldn't be so thin, so it can hold its shape. There is also I call her a lady spring. More clusters, clocks, another dog. This one is, I think, Jack Russell Terrier. So if you have a Jack Russell Terrier, you can scrapbook him with this collection. Clock, I don't know, milk stand, I would like to say. A picture on the plate, another camera, another clock, balloon, some small green flowers, and this is the key hanger, books, shelf with something, flower, more of those, more of those, more of those. And again, with this one, if you would cut close to the edges, the leaves would just fall out. So with some elements, we just need to design them this way. And we have birds, we have a basket, we have a mailbox, another basket, butterflies, a lot of flowers, and camera. So those are all the elements that are included into the die cut pack. 60 elements inside, and let me put it back in here. And we can move on to the paper elements, 27 of them. We have envelopes, we have tags. So we have envelopes like this, and the other side is this white paper with crackles. So we have 6 different envelopes. You need to they are not pre-scored, you need to score it by yourself. A tag, a circle, another tag, few more circles, bigger, smaller, with scalloped elements, without the scallop finish, more tags, ticket, smaller tag, another tag, circles, another tag, and 2 more tickets. So those are all the elements you can find in a paper element pack. I will put them aside. And the last but not least element, brand new stickers. We have paper elements 6 by 12 in size. You can get what you see here. There is no other side. And again, those are cutted out with this white outline, a little bit of white outline. And we have this paper is this, I would say, satin finish, a little bit matte finish. It's not shiny, so they will look amazing on your projects. And like with this sewing machine, this also takes out, so you will not have this white element inside. And we have flowers, all the elements that you can find in this collection. And the last is paper sticker words that comes with each collection. They are different colors, different phrases in each sticker sheet. And here we have words written in one font, bigger words in the second font. They are great for the card titles, for the layout titles. And we also have word strips. And some of them are very generic. You can use them with any other collection. Remember, hello, love. And some of them are targeted more into the this collection. I'm Homestead Heaven, Domestic Goddess, Home Sweet Home. So some of those well, I think most of them, especially in this collection, as it's quite versatile and generic, can be used throughout any other collection. Just make sure the colors matches. The same with those titles, wonderful, amazing, friendship. So those are generic words and can go with many other collections. And there is also a Polish version of those stickers. So if you are from Poland, you would like using Polish language, so you can have them too. And then do not all translate into exactly the same words, because it's not always easy to translate English directly into Polish. But there are also like generic words and the words that comes with this special collection specifically. So that's it for this video. Sorry, I'm seeing the sun is already coming up again. Thank you so much for staying with me, and see you soon on some other video. Bye!